Hi there, Dr. Mo checking in. I just wanted to share some exciting news. I've created a Patreon that is devoted to supporting you in your mentoring process or to continue your mentoring process, specifically with EFT tapping. So, as you can see here on the screen, this is what you would see if you looked at the landing page for the Patreon. So, I've created three different membership tiers that are each centered on being able to directly interact with me through mentoring questions that you can send me. And I will send you detailed and specific responses that are for your specific question. So, oftentimes in EFT, we have very specific questions about clients or how could I have done this specific thing differently, etc. And that is why I've geared this Patreon towards being more direct contact with a mentor or me. And so I have the first membership tier, which is three mentoring questions a month, being able to ask me those. Second tier is unlimited mentoring questions. And third tier is everything from the previous tiers, but you have the added bonus of getting a 20-minute mentoring coach call per month, plus having more access to exclusive content that I wouldn't post on my YouTube channel. So if this resonates with you, and if you'd like to support me so that I can continue creating content for the EFT world, please visit the link in the description box below. Thank you so much, and we'll talk and tap soon.